Hello friends and welcome back to my channel Coding with Samriddhi. Today we will be knowing more about coding as I told you in my last video, and I'll recap it first what we did in my third video. And already the stuff has been created here as you can see. And as I promised, I'll tell you that what are how much time will a language will take to learn and what it is used for, and we will also recap the thing I told you before, English to programming, that's also the part, and also tell what we will do in our upcoming video. So let's recap first. So what is coding? If you remember in my third video, I told what is coding with the help of two friends, Myra and Nina. So here I just changed the equation. It was 4 plus 4, but I added 4 plus 4 plus 12. So she replies as answer 20. So the computer does the same thing. It takes the input, which means the question, and gives us output, which means the answer. So here our programmer was Nina and our computer was Myra. So I didn't told you what a programmer is. A programmer is a person who give command to computer to do a specific task. Let's move on. As we know that computer only knows binary language. So let me tell you a bit more about binary language. Binary language is a low programming language which can only be understood by computers or machines. Like if I want to say hello, it will say something like this in binary language. And in this case programming language comes to our rescue. It will come on programming language soon. As I told you. Let me tell you one thing after we learn programming language. To make a program in binary language is like really difficult. It is really important how to know, and like to make a program in binary language is impossible. So human decided to make a language which is readable, programming language. This is an important line. So let's learn about it. C, CCC, Java, Python, etc. are the high level programming languages. It is like readable. They are readable. These are like English, Hindi and Korean, and many more languages which you choose on your computer. That depends on you which language you use. So in saying hello in binary language, say something like this. So can you understand it if hello was not written here? So if anyone randomly gives you a number like this, what will you be able to tell what is it written? No. So here programming language comes in our help. If we say computer to print binary language, it will write something like this. So programming language will turn it into any readable language. That depends on you which language you want the computer to translate it. Now I'll tell you something that I told you in my previous video, I mean it by third video, because fourth video was something about maths. So yeah, I would like to tell you how much time a language take to learn and what it is basically used for. So first on my list is C hashtag. It is a programming language. Every language here is a programming language, and C hashtag is used for it's used for development, and it takes at least 2 to 3 months to learn it. Next on my list is Java. Java and JavaScript, mind you, both are different. Java. So Java is used for build apps, and it is used for it takes 2 to 6 months to learn it. Next on my list is Python. It is also taught in some of the schools, and it is used for we use it for data science, or we can say machine learning. Sorry, the wrong spelling. So it is used for machine learning. JavaScript. Now, so Python takes at least, or we can say less than, 3 months to learn. Yes, less than. JavaScript. Now, as I told you in my second point, that JavaScript and Java both are different. Now, Java was used for building apps, and it takes this much time. Now, here JavaScript, what it is used for, I'll tell you right now. It is used for dynamic web pages, to build dynamic web pages, or we can say web pages. It takes less than 2 months to learn. Okay, so if anyone asks you if Java and JavaScript are same, so you can answer in 2 minutes that no, they are not, they're different. Now, you might not have this or have not listened this word, Dart or Flutter. If you did, that's awesome, because it was a language made by Google, and it is a fastest growing language, we can say. Okay, so I'll also mention it here that it is the fastest growing language, and was made by Google. So it is also used for building apps, but it is fast app. You can make as more frequently, more like you can finish your app more early on any platform, and on any platform. And it takes also less than 2 months to learn it. This line is important. Now, here is English to programming. I have also told you in my third video, so let's recap it. In English, we used to say sentences, but in programming, or we can say in computer learning, we say statements. It is also told in some sections in some smaller classes. So in word in English, keyword in programming. Group of statement makes up a program, or we can say like group of sentences makes up a paragraph. So we can say group of statement makes up a program. Group of program makes up an application or software. As we do, group of program makes up an application or software. Like when you there are so many paragraph makes up, you ended up with a story or a you end up with a story or a poem. So in the same way, group of programs ends up making an application or software. So we can simply say that coding is a way to communicate with computer. Okay, for now. So in the next video, I'll also tell you about programming, and or I can also tell you that how to create your own first ever Infinite Runner game, which will be the Flappy Bird game, which is really famous right now. So yes, I hope you enjoyed doing coding with me, and in next video I'll tell you some more code, and then I'll also tell you how to code bit more and what will be our applications or software we are gonna use in future, and how to share your little games with your friends so that they can also tell how is your game made and how creative you are. So thank you for watching my video, and we'll learn a bit more about programming in future because in future coding will be the most important thing. So if we start learning it now, you will be an expert till then. Please subscribe my channel Coding with Samridhi and hit the notification button so that I'll make more videos and we'll learn more in coding. Thank you and have a nice day.
I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are. You're a dream that I could finally see. I just want